This one's done. Oh yeah. Last part is finished. Oh. So one of the things I need to do is put in this insert. And this one here is an easy lock insert. This was a sample that was given to me by M&H Supply in Fort Worth. Thank you guys. And so I got to heat it up. I found that the soldering iron is always the best way to heat it up. And you heat it up enough that it will want to press in. And this one's longer than I normally put in. I'll get it over here a little bit better so you can see. There. Let's get a little bit more. And then we'll scrape off the plastic there. Mount the two springs in the center here. Attach the bottom, but I realized I made my hex too big, so I'll have to correct that. To make this simpler, I could make just one end move, and then you could pull it out, put it in. The spring pressure is not enough. I should look at a different spring. But then you lock it down. And then I built this so that you could put it on this way onto a tripod. And then this is an Amazon Basic quick change version. So I got my numbers right here. There. So it locks into the quick change, and then you can articulate it around where you want it. Helps when you don't put it in upside down, but you get the idea. I did this design is I wanted something that's a little bit adjustable on the corners, and I wanted to be able to flip it over or adjust it around, and it's not going to fall out. And my power and speakers are open, so nothing's blocking them. So this tripod's a little overkill for what I want it for, so I'm going to find me a smaller desk tripod. I might design one, or I might just buy one on Amazon, a cheapie, and it'll be on my desk here. Once I get the design cleaned up, I'll upload it and share the link.